everythingRF, latest cable and connector news. November 2024. Pasternak launches new line of spring-loaded coaxial adapters from DC to 65 GHz. Fairview Microwave expands its line of in-stock RF cable assemblies. Rosenberger to showcase standardized and custom connectivity solutions at Electronica 2024. Huber-Suner launches new production line to provide Liska cable assemblies to UK telecom operators. Fairview Microwave launches angled PCB-RF connectors in 1.85 mm, 2.4 mm, and 2.92 mm configurations. PayGenesis now offering LMR connectors, cables, and accessories from Times Microwave Systems. Mini Circuits expands its line of coaxial adapters to include 1.0 mm to 1.35 mm models. Insulated Wire introduces its new high-power microwave products catalog. everythingRF, keeping you up to date with the RF microwave industry.